getting started today by adding 32 ounces of diced hash browns right into our crock pot. Right away here, we're gonna grab a can of cream of chicken soup. We're just gonna plop that right on top, you guys. So many options here. I love using the cream of chicken, but I don't know, maybe you're choosing mushroom or cheddar. Let us know in the comments. On top of that, add 1 cup of milk. Now you could always add more if you're looking for more of a soupy effect, but I'm kind of keeping it a little bit low on the liquids here today because I want some creamy, cheesy goodness. Now I have some chicken broth here. I'm gonna do the same thing. Pour about a cup of chicken broth. That's where I'm starting. Now, as those potatoes also start to melt, they're gonna provide a little bit of liquid because they are frozen, and you can always add more, right? But you can't take it away. Like I said, cheese, so we need to cheese it up here. I went with, what do I have here? I have 4 different type of cheese. You can use all cheddar or whatever you want, but you're just gonna take that entire bag and just dump it right in there. Now, this is where it gets interesting. I have a bag of country gravy mixed here. I'm gonna sprinkle it right over the top, you guys. Now, this is the peppered country kind, which I love because I'm not really gonna put any pepper in here on my own, nor am I gonna put salt. If you wanna add that stuff, you totally can, but it's just not necessary, right? Because I think that that gravy packet totally does it for you. And then we have all this other good stuff in here too. But let me know if you're gonna add any other seasonings into this because I'm always up for suggestions and I'm definitely curious. I have a little bit of bacon here. I'm gonna cut up, so I want it to cook inside just to really disperse that bacon flavor throughout. But I am gonna save some for the side just in case if anybody is gonna wanna add some of this on top. So let me know, are you team for putting it in or are you gonna put it on top? And as I'm using my kitchen shears here, look at that. It's just cutting it up into like the perfect little pieces that are just gonna be like a nice little added touch throughout. Oh, that looks so good. That bacon smells amazing. Now, of course, we want to get in here and just kind of tuck in some of that gravy mix along with that, the milk and that broth. So just be nice and patient, work your way through, kind of try to combine all of that stuff together. It's okay if it gets a little bit messy, you guys. Life is just messy sometimes. And you know what? When we learn how to handle the hard times, we just learn how to master life itself, right? So, so enjoy this crock pot. And if it does get messy, well, enjoy that too. I'm gonna keep mixing this up here, you guys. We will be right back. Look at how amazing that looks. Oof, all the cheese. I can see the pepper in there from that country gravy. Looks absolutely fabulous. I know it's gonna taste even better. I'm gonna pop this lid on, you guys. I'm gonna cook it for 3 to 4 hours on high and stick around. You are gonna love these easy, cheesy potatoes. Oof, I am so hungry. I just can't hardly wait. I have been patiently waiting for these cheesy potatoes. Oh my gosh, let's give this a stir. Look at that, you guys. Look at that thickness, all of that cheese. Holy cow, that looks absolutely amazing. Oh my gosh, and that bacon doesn't get much better than this, let me tell you what. Or maybe it does, because remember I said about that bacon? So I have some here. I'm just gonna crumble that because I want some bacon right on top here. Even if there's some chunky pieces, I don't care. Like, that's good too. I bet you David's gonna wanna pick those pieces, huh? Don't you think, babe? Is that gonna be your...
Everything's better with bacon.
Okay, so we're putting some bacon, and then we're also gonna put some green onions because we love those around here too. All of these toppings are definitely optional and they're not a have to. So if you don't want the bacon or you don't want the green onions, you of course don't have to put them on there, but they are super tasty. And I'm just putting them on top. You can always put them on the side or, you know, maybe just, yeah, have it off to the side if you don't think everybody's gonna want it. But look at that, that looks so fabulous. I can't wait to just dig right here into this. Look at these. I'm just gonna pull up a good scoop of these cheesy potatoes here. Oh my gosh, better than scallop potatoes. Oh yeah. Now I'm gonna load one more scoop here into this bowl because I think, David, do you wanna have a try with these with me? Because
yeah,
I want some with like extra green onions. Oh, that looks so creamy and delicious. All right, why don't you come over here and dig in with me because I don't want to be the only one looking like a pig today. All right, get over here and try this. You guys, as I'm sitting here, I just like smell all the aroma coming off of the crock. Doesn't it smell so good? Oh, instant freshener for your house. It's so good tasting, right? Oh, careful, it's probably hot. I love the little diced potatoes. What do you think about that for a change?
Yummy.
Oh my gosh. I want some green onion with that. I don't even know if I can do it because it's so hot. How is it? How are you not burning your mouth right now?
It probably is burning my mouth.
But it's that good. You just have to give it a try. You know, the best thing about the crock pot is it's so fast to prepare and it is so easy to do, but it takes forever to cool down, right? So Man, you know what makes the biggest difference in there is that gravy packet. Phenomenal. We have the cream of chicken, then we have the little bit of milk, we have the cheese and the potatoes, you guys. This is such an easy way to whip together the best, cheesiest potatoes you've ever had. Let me know what you think of this great recipe. We'll see you guys later, and don't forget, all those recipes are gonna be linked in the comments to that Substack account. You guys, check it out. I hope you enjoy.